Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about knowing our numbers. In this chapter, this is the chapter number 1 of class 6. Class 6, chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. In this chapter, we will learn how can we compare numbers, ascending and descending order of numbers, place value chart, Indian number system place value chart. How can we use the commas in Indian system as well as in international system of numbers, estimation of the numbers, and finally we will learn about Roman numerals. Dear students, I am going to provide you this whole topic in two parts. In first part, we will learn up to use of commas, and in second part, we will learn international system estimation and Roman number. So let's start with the comparing number. First part, comparing number. Dear friends, dear students, you are comparing the numbers from your earlier classes. It means in your previous class, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, you already familiar with this. Suppose I have a number 35 and 753. Suppose I have a number 35 and 753. This is the first thing. Just you have to check the number of digits. 35 has only 2-digit number and 753 is a 3-digit number. 3 digits number is definitely bigger than a 2-digit number. So first thing, by number of digits. By number of digits. A number which have more digit is bigger than the number which have less digit. Second thing, if the number of digits are same, suppose I have number 753 and 675. Both the numbers 753 and 675 have 3 digits. In such a case, we will check the first digit from the left side. This is my left hand and left side, the first digit is 7, first digit is 6. Now compare 7 and 6. Which one is bigger? Correct, 7. So definitely 753 will be bigger than 675. What about, dear student, if from left side first digit is same, means the 7th place digit is same. Number of digits are same. From left side first digit is same. Then we will compare second place digit from left side. As you can see here, first digit is same, 7. But second digit here 5 and here 7. Out of these two, which one is bigger? Definitely this 7 is bigger. That's why number 775 will be bigger than 753. If second place digit is also same, then we will check the last digit, means third digit from the left side. Here 3, here 8. Out of 3 and 8 is bigger. So number 758 will be bigger than the number 753. This is one of the example. Dear friends, students, you can compare the numbers like this. So this is the comparing of the numbers. Now we are going to learn ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending orders. Dear student, in ascending order, we will arrange arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. In ascending order, we will arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. Means the smallest one, if in a group of numbers, suppose 5 numbers are given, the smallest one will be the first. I am explaining this with the help of example 753, 975, 1076, 59 and 11,1111. Suppose we have 5 numbers and we want to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order, first we will check the smallest one. The smallest one. This is a 5-digit number, this is a 4-digit number, this is a 2-digit number, and these two are 3-digit number. So as we have already explained you, the number which have least number of digit will be the smallest. So the first number will be 59. So we will write 59 first number, then apply the sign of less than. 59 is less than. Now 3-digit number we have 2. So check the first digit of the left side. 7, 9. Which one is smaller? 7 is smaller. So the second number will be 753. Third number will be 975. For your understanding, you can tick the numbers. These 3 numbers we have already written. Next, 3-digit numbers are over. Now 4-digit number is 1076. So write this number 1076 and finally we will write 11,1111. Like this way we can arrange the number in ascending order. Similarly we can arrange the numbers in the descending order also. With the same example, just reverse the order of the number. The descending order of the given group of number will be 11,111 will be the first. It is the biggest one out of this group. Then 1076 is smaller than 11,111. 1076 is greater than 975. 975 is greater than 753 and 753 is greater than 59. This is ascending and descending order. In descending order, we will write the numbers greater to smaller. Greater to smaller. Means the biggest one will be written first and the smallest one will be written last. I hope you understood, dear friends, students. Now I am going to talk about the place value chart. Okay. Let's start place value chart. Dear students, we are the Indians and we are following our own number system. That is known as the Indian number system. Indian number system. Indian number system is also known as the decimal number system. Decimal number system. Indian number system is also known as the decimal. We are the first who give the decimal to the whole world. We are the first who give zero to the whole world. So you should feel proud. You are the Indian. Indian number system or decimal number system. In this number system, we follow the pattern. The pattern is like this. The first number is ones number. First group is known as the ones group. Then we have the group of hundreds.